The sun is resting, but the rain hasn't come.
Maybe the rain is hiding somewhere.
If the rain is lost, we'll help it find the way home.
Sounds like the rain is grumpy inside that cloud. Hello there.
Why are you so sad, Rain?
Everyone dislikes me. I don't want to make anyone sad.
Rain doesn't make us sad. It helps us grow.
Hello, little rain. It's been so long.
See? Rain never makes us sad.
Now I see. My rain brings joy. Sometimes we need a few tears.
Even storms can carry kindness.